Hello, welcome to my channel. I am continuing my spring journal. It's coming together really nicely. I've only got a few pages left. I think maybe 4 pages, maybe 6. I don't know. I'm not going to decorate every single page. I'm going to leave some space. But today I will use some of my scraps. So I was thinking, why not make some mini journals out of these scraps and just put them together with some washi tape, also scraps. I mean, there's not a lot left here. Oop. All over the place. So yeah, I'm just gonna make these little journals quick, and it's gonna be made the same way as the journal itself, with my spring journal is put together with washi tape. And these will be the same. So I can spread them in my journal, either glue them to a page or put them in a pocket, or yeah, what I can, whatever I can come up with. I think 5 pages, that's enough. I don't want them too bulky. And let's see, well, I can do that later. I'm probably gonna need some glue because, as I've mentioned before, this washi tape is a bit old, so I don't trust the glue on them. They glue very well on the roll, but I don't think they will on paper. So I'll give them a little bit of, I'll do it like this. That's easier. Just a little bit of glue. There we go. And about this length. It really doesn't have to be perfect because it's only little scrapbooks. So they're gonna look scrappy. And the next page, turn it again. So yeah, it's a good way to at least use some of your scraps. There are some that are too small, but then you can use them to decorate the pages in, or fill the pages in the mini journals. So we'll use as much as possible. Hang on. There we go. Oops. Right, that's it. Just make sure they are straight at the edge. Next one. Let's see, is that up or down? No, not really. I'll put that in like that. No, like that. Next one. Should we use another one? Yeah, I think so. There we go. And about there. Just align it again. And the last page. Like that. Whoop. There. All done. So yeah, my plan is to put them inside the journal. Doesn't matter what's up and down here. I'm just gonna put something on the spine. Just a little bit of lace. Like this. Just to give it a bit more hold. I'm not putting glue on the spine itself, it'll hold nicely. That's it. You could even make a little, a small cover for these, exactly like I've done with the big one. That would look cute too. Just a small cover there. Maybe. Just an idea. So yeah, that's the result so far. I'm not gonna say finished because I think I'll try to make a few pockets in here or tuck spots to make it a real journal, just mini size. Should we make another one? Let's see if I've got time. Yeah, let's do it. This one. So yeah, I'm just using scraps from the book, and I can't show you the book right now because it's on the heater. It's drying out because I've used some inks on it. But I'll leave the the link below. I think I'll have another one of these. No, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I won't. It'll be like that. That'll be fine. So, again. This one maybe. If I can find the end. Looks like it's there. No, there it is. Oop. That was one. And as always, the hinge is always on the shortest side of the page, obviously. That was 3. And let's use, oh, this is actually done. Don't know why I put that back in the box, but hey ho. I'll see if I can get the rest of it some point. That was probably my thought when I put it in. And there. And the last one. So in my next video I'll see what I can do with these. I'll try to make something interesting or just play around with it, because basically that's what we do, isn't it? Just playing. Never get too old to play. That's it, and I will put some lace on. I'll see if I can find another one. Should be possible. Oh yeah. There we go. Perfect fit. Just to make it stick, doesn't matter how much. You can always put a little bit more on if it needs. That's it. And a snip there. All done. 2 little mini books. So yeah, come back later, see what I'm doing with them. Let's see if we can have some fun. Probably can. But until next time, see ya. Bye.